project has been scheduled. We're working in the background to get everything ready, and we are approximately halfway to the start of your project. Congratulations. So now, what should you expect? First is communication. We'll make sure we do our best to communicate before, during, and after the project. Also, you should expect construction is messy. There's a lot of dust, dirt, debris, but I promise you that we will do our best to make sure we protect your personal belongings. Also, we will call you the week before and let you know that we're still on schedule. And also, we will call you the night before to let you know exactly what time we'll be there. You should expect that we will exceed your expectations. That is our goal. And our final, what should you expect, is that when we're done, we are gonna ask you for a review. Our job is to get that 5-star review. Once again, thank you for your business, and we look forward to working with you.